Now we have to go with the expenses. So cost of material consumed, nothing is given in the question, so we'll just leave it. Then next comes purchase of stock in trade. Now we have to calculate the purchase of stock in trade. Why I am saying we have to put up a note now is because we have purchase returns in this question. So now let's quickly calculate purchase of stock in trade. Note 3, that is purchase of stock in trade. So purchases, what's the value of purchases in the question? Purchases, if you see, purchases we have 27 lakhs 85,800, and out of which we have carriage on purchase to carriage on purchase, that is 20,300, and we have to make it less now whatever is our purchase returns. So that is known as return outwards, or even it is known as purchase returns. So our return outwards is 10,000. If you do calculate all of this, that comes up to 27 lakhs 96,100. So let's quickly write in our statement of P&L, that is note number 3. Purchase of stock in trade, the total is 27 lakhs 96,100. Now next item is our changes in inventory. Changes in inventory is nothing but opening inventory minus closing inventory. That's it. Okay, let's do it now. Note 4, changes in inventory, opening inventory 14 lakhs 50,000. Sorry, it is 1,45,000 less closing inventory is 2,25,580. See here, now opening inventory is less than the closing inventory. That means this is the negative value which you are getting now. Okay, for 1,45,000 minus 2,25,580. Closing inventory is more than the opening inventory. So this comes into a negative figure, that is 68,840. So this is minus value. You can write here, no issues. Okay. Note number 4, that is 68,840. Okay. 68,840, that is our negative figure. We will just keep it here. Next comes employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses include salary, wages, or any expenses which is relevant to your employees. Okay, here in this question we do have salary, we do have wages, as we have already kept one dot. Do you remember? Salaries and wages. So we will do it now. So note 5, that is our employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses. First one we will take salaries. Salaries is 2,23,800. So 2,23,800. And for salary, as I told you in our adjustment, we have outstanding salary. So first let's add outstanding salary, that is given in your adjustment number D. Outstanding salary is 12,200. So add here 12,200. It comes up to 2,30,000. We'll write here outer column 2,30,000. Now we have wages. Okay, right here wages. Okay, wages is how much? Wages paid is 52,200. So right here 52,200 less prepaid wage. Less prepaid wages 2,200. So it comes up to 50,000. 50,000. So the total comes to 2,80,000. Now note 5 total is 2,80,000. So let's write here employee benefit expenses note number 5, that is 2,80,000. Next is our finance cost. Okay, under finance cost, as I told you in the question paper, we get interest on loan. Only one item is there, so directly we can write it. Okay, we don't need to make a note of it. We have only one item, no need of any note. That is 14,800. Okay. Next, depreciation and amortization. Do we have any depreciation and amortization in the question? He has not given any depreciation item in the question here. So we will just keep it. We'll just leave it blank. Then we have other expenses. In under expenses, we have seen so many items in which the last item is our other expenses. So let's see what and all is there in our other expenses. We'll make a note for it so that it will be very easy for us to solve. So let's do note number 6, that is other expenses. So under other expenses, what are the items we will take? We will follow this. First item is discount allowed. Question, follow the question. First item is discount allowed. So let's take discount allowed 3,500. 3,500. Then follow the question. Do we have any other things? Discount received already done, stock done, wages paid done, salaries done, advertisement. Okay, we have advertisement, we have bad debts, we have audit fees, sundry expenses. All these items we are going to take. Rent paid. Okay, what are the other items which we have? Okay, we'll take all the items which are here now. So the discount allowed is 3,500. Advertisement is 12,500. 12,500 is our advertisement. Then comes bad debts. Bad debts is 3,850. Then we have audit fees in the question. Audit fees is 12,000. Then we have rent paid. First we should take rent paid. This rent paid is for 10 months. Okay, why I am saying 10 months is 2 months was outstanding. That means for 10 months they have paid 60,000. Got it? Then we have outstanding rent. Outstanding rent of 2 months. This I have already shown you how to calculate. 60,000 into 2 by 10. This comes up to 12,000. You can record it. Then we have sundry expenses. Sundry expenses, that is 13,880, and we have carriage on sales, that is 12,000, and finally we have PDD, that is provision for doubtful debts, which already we calculated on debtors. Our debtors are 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 1% would be 5,000. Okay. So the total expenses will come up to 1,34,730. You need to calculate this and check once. Okay, it comes up to 1,34,730. So let's quickly write in our other expenses, that is our note number 6. That is 1,34,730. 1,34,730. Now we have to calculate our expenses. Okay, you add this 27 lakhs 96,100, 2 lakh 80, 14,800 plus 1,34,730 minus 68,840. Then it comes up to 31 lakhs 62,790. Now you have to find out the profit before tax. Okay, income minus total income minus total expenses you should do. Profit before tax I will write here if you want. That is nothing but your Roman number 3 minus Roman number 4. Okay, that comes up to 14 lakhs 17,920. We don't have any exception items in this question, so I am just leaving it blank. If it is there, then we could have taken it. Tax he has given in the question, 40% of tax we should calculate. Okay, at 40% he says. So on our total profit before tax 14,17,920, if you do 40% of that, that will come up to 5,67,168. It comes up to 5,67,168. Then finally now you should calculate the profit after tax value. That is our Roman number 5 minus Roman number 6 minus our tax. You'll get to know your profit after tax. So our profit after tax in this question is 8,50,752. Okay, this is the final answer which we got it. You can, if you want, you can take the final answer screenshot too. And you also need to try and solve it once for yourself for practice. Okay. Thank you.